I am currently a working professional. I am working with a full service law firm, Haryani and company in Mumbai. I predominantly work in media and law, media and entertainment law practice. Um, Currently, I enrolled for a one-year diploma course with LawSikho for Companies Act, SEBI regulations, and corporate governance. Now, my main motive, my objective to join this course was, in media law, we have, it's mainly contractual, right? So I have my copyright down. I know my IPR, my prosecution and litigation down. I know my contract down. I have got a good hold on the copyright and the rights and title assignment, licensing, broadcasting, all the things that go into film production and distribution. However, in the industry, having spent so much time, I also noticed and realized that there is a lot of corporate mergers happening. There are a lot of companies coming together to co-produce movies or co-produce a lot of content. So there's a lot of company incorporation. There is a lot of JV setups. There is, a whole strategy to acquire other companies based on their business in the streaming platforms or their business in film production. So I thought this course will give me a good heads up on, or working knowledge on, a holistic view around a corporate strategy or corporate setup in the media industry. I have been a part of this diploma for the past few months. However, the assignments are absolutely practical. They are very hands-on, very updated. All the assignments are based on such case studies and opinions. We almost, while solving the assignments, while researching for the assignments, we almost feel like we're actually drafting a proper legal formal opinion for a client. And that has been very helpful. I'm already researching so much around directors, around different types of securities and rights issues that companies have to for their best interest. So it's absolutely a beautiful course and very helpful, very practical. No rote learning, no section learning, absolute practical knowledge. Yeah. In fact, so we did have recently in this lockdown itself, I had two companies coming together to co-produce, like I said. So one of them was going to be a film financer, and one was going to be a proper on-ground producer who is going to do the day-to-day, the locations, the shooting, the principal photography, the editing, all of that. So when they come together and form an SPV, a separate company just for this project, we also have a lot of discussions and negotiations around the board of directors, around what kind of, the type of securities to issue to each director, and so on and so forth. So that was something I could only get from having done that in this course. I'm so confident now when I give advice to a client. I mean, as before this course, I would take care of the chain of title or the content that they have. How can we monetize the content, or how do we have ownership and authorship of different content, and how do we form a robust agreement for them. However, now with this course, I'm also able to give them a more corporate, a more holistic view on how they can strategize their approach to best benefit from a transaction, not just legally, not just from the copyright point of view, but even if there is some corporate restructuring, or if there is some other way we can look around it, then that's something that I am able to now even think in that direction, thanks to this course. just a key observation for everyone, I mean, we all, thanks to the pandemic, have gotten into e-learning, virtual learning, and we all want it easy. I will say LawSikho and the diploma course or any other course that LawSikho offers, it does require time, it does require dedication, but it's only to make us more sincere and more knowledgeable. It is not just a question answer, it is not just reproduction of an answer from a textbook or a bare act or a commentary. It is actual research with judgments, with comparative analysis, with critical thinking. So it's so practical. It really, this is something I absolutely have only learned from LawSikho. We did not have this kind of learning back in law school in my time. So now having to think like this, like a lawyer, when I'm sitting to draft my assignment or write my assignment, I think like a lawyer, I research like a lawyer, and that is work, but it is paying off as well. Yeah.